Before we start, look at this.
The Dog and the Painted Bone. In a bustling village, there lived a stray dog who spent his days searching for scraps of food. One afternoon, while wandering near the market,
All made in minutes with Short AI stories. So, Short AI is the tool I'm testing from 2 weeks, and its AI stories feature is insane. Today I'll give a quick overview, then I'll show you exactly how I made these. Let's get started. First, click the link in the description box and sign up through my referral link. Once you sign up, you will see the dashboard. Now on the left side, click on this AI story option. Step 2. Paste your story text. Here's a short sample I'll paste now. You can also set intro and CTA. Step 3. Pick a visual style. I'll choose Pixar style for this run. For social, select vertical, 9 by 16. For YouTube recap, pick 16 by 9. I'll demo 9 by 16 for shorts. Step 4. Choose subtitle style. I will choose this one. Step 5. Choose voice and language.
and here,
I pick a warm male voice. You can use filter to find what you want, or test preview and pick what you likes. Now click on the Generate button.
The Dog and the Painted Bone. In a bustling village, there lived a stray dog who spent his days searching for scraps of food. One afternoon, while wandering near the market, he stumbled upon something shining under the sun. It was an old bone, painted with golden color, glittering like treasure. The dog's eyes widened with pride. Finally,
That's it, from text to clip in minutes. Honestly, what I like about Short AI is that it makes content creation simple, especially if you don't want to show your face or spend hours editing. It's like having a mini production studio powered by AI. If you want to try Short AI yourself, I've put my affiliate link in the description. You'll also support the channel if you sign up through it. I'm going to keep experimenting with more features, so subscribe if you want to see what else Short AI can do.